The Financial Express has reported that the Indian Navy is in talks with the US firm Northrop Grumman Systems Corporation to acquire the MQ-4C Triton high-altitude long-endurance unmanned aircraft system that costs over $120 million per unit. The Indian Navy currently operates P-8 anti-submarine aircraft, MH-60 anti-submarine helicopters and MQ-9C Guardian UAVs, and the procurement of MQ-4C Triton will support a wide range of missions, including maritime intelligence surveillance and reconnaissance patrol, signals intelligence, search and rescue and communications relay. The MQ-4C has an endurance of 30 hours and has an operational range of 15,000 kilometers, and it can conduct survey over 1 lakh square kilometers of terrain in one day. The Su-30 fighter jets of the Indian Air Force have started exercise flying with their Malaysian counterparts today, which is also a perfect opportunity to demonstrate its indigenous maintenance, repair and overhaul capability of Su-30 fighters, and bolster the package deal to Malaysia of Tejas aircraft and maintenance, repair and overhaul facility of Su-30 aircraft. The Indian High Commissioner to Malaysia along with senior Royal Malaysian Air Force officials also interacted with the Indian Air Force contingent at the Kuantan Air Base. The former Air Chief Marshal Arup Raha has said that it is important to convert the interest by several countries in the Tejas Mark 1 aircraft into firm orders, and Hindustan Aeronautics should create an additional production line that will exclusively cater to the export of Tejas Mark 1 and Tejas Mark 2 aircraft, so that the Indian military-industrial complex can grow and flourish by having more customers and operators. He also stressed that India must find more customers for the Tejas Mark 1, Tejas Mark 2 and the AMCA, so that the private Indian companies in the program can increase their business and are not dependent on the Indian Air Force for orders. He also said that it is important that the first production line for the AMCA must be up and running by 2030, and the second production line by the public-private sector consortium must be ready by 2032 to develop an advanced version of AMCA Mark II. Despite Indian concerns, Sri Lanka has allowed the Chinese spy ship to berth at Hambantota port, and Sri Lankan media has reported that during its stay, the Chinese spy ship will keep its location beacon switched on, and all radars and mapping equipment will be switched off. A Type 54A frigate of Pakistan Navy has also arrived at the Colombo port, and it will conduct a joint exercise with the Sri Lankan Navy in the Western Seas. Interestingly, India has now announced that Indian Navy warships will carry out joint naval exercises with countries like the Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam and Singapore in the South China Sea. The Karnataka Cabinet has approved its Aerospace and Defence Industry Policy 2022, which aims at attracting investments worth 45,000 crore by offering more incentives and around 5% subsidies to manufacturers of components. As skilled workforce is the need of the hour, 10 engineering colleges will impart skills to 200 technical graduates with an offer of 70,000 rupees per month.
Oh, Mark dropped it.